Hello. So this is our spaghetti with shrimp sauce and the side dish of veggies with a summer salad. I hope you guys try it. Hello. Today I'll be making for dinner shrimp pasta, spaghetti, and this is the ingredients: parsley, fresh parsley, dried parsley, olive oil, minced garlic, homemade sauce, red and white onion, 2 small onions, red and white, fresh onions, shrimps, oregano, pepper, and salt. Stay tuned. We're gonna add the oil and then the garlic. Saute them for 2 minutes or so when the heat is on, because it's not quite hot yet. Now I'm adding the white and red onion, which I mixed with a food processor, because I don't want these to be, I just want them to have the taste to the sauce. Yes, I'm adding the onions in and saute them for 2 to 5 minutes, depends on the heat. I have it on medium heat right now. Now I'm adding the homemade tomato sauce, just a cup of it. Now we're adding the shrimp. And we're gonna add the salt, pepper, oregano, fresh parsley, and black pepper. And we're gonna let it cook with the lid on, and that's it. Almost done. Stay tuned. Now we're adding the pepper, dried oregano, parsley, sorry, and this is dried oregano, and fresh parsley, and stay tuned. I'm going to close the lid now, and it's going to be cooking like 5 minutes or so. You don't want to overcook the sauce. So the sauce is ready, the shrimp sauce is ready, and then we're waiting for the spaghetti to be done, and you're going to see the result soon after this video. The spaghetti is al dente. Oh my god, it's so good. It smells delicious. Amazing. I hope you guys try this. Hello. This is going to be a side dish of stir fry. Just easy and marinated and steamed briefly in the pan. And stay tuned. I hope you try it. And this is veggie sauté proteins. We got almost done. I'll leave it for 5 more minutes. And it's going to be served like this. It's going to be refreshing and delicious. So this is just a summer salad, fresh lettuce and tomatoes and bocconcini, soft cheese. I'm adding the garlic, salt, pepper, a little bit of parsley, and olive oil. And aceto balsamico di Modena, just a little bit, and it's ready. Bon appetit. I hope you guys try it.